humanity's challenges require global research. Yet global research can have a dark side, ethics dumping. When researchers from privileged settings offshore unethical research to lower income settings, that's ethics dumping. It can happen on purpose, but also due to lack of awareness and cultural misunderstandings. Research from the Trust Group identified 6 types of ethics dumping, even though others might still emerge. Probably the best known type of ethics dumping is the application of double standards, where exploitative practices that are not accepted in a high-income setting are used in a lower-income setting. For instance, 3 clinical trials on cervical cancer screening methods were conducted in India from 1998 to 2015. 254 women in the no-screening arm died due to cervical cancer. A no-screening control arm would not have been allowed in the USA, but was accepted by the US funders for these clinical trials in India. Another commonly known type of ethics dumping is also called helicopter research. This occurs when researchers from a higher income setting fly into a lower income setting to conduct a study and make use of resources without fair benefit sharing. For example, in 1995, a research team from a US university obtained blood samples from tens of thousands of impoverished Chinese villages. A US-based company linked to the university received multi-million-dollar investments on the basis of the collected genetic information. One type of ethics dumping, which is often not done on purpose, involves culturally inappropriate conduct. This is a particular challenge in global research. For instance, in many regions of the world, community assent or approval will be necessary before research can be conducted ethically. It is the responsibility of the researchers to find out what is culturally appropriate conduct in any new setting. A related issue that is also linked to insufficient local knowledge involves a lack of due diligence. This can put local research participants at risk. For instance, in Kenya, where sex work is illegal, collecting personal data about sex workers can put them at high risk of incrimination. Dishonesty in global research is another form of ethics dumping, which occurs regularly. For instance, where funding proposals require participation from lower-income countries, researchers are recruited with promises of equal rights and equal budgets, which are not honored later. All research participants are promised feedback on the study they are recruited to, but the researchers do not return and the promises are not kept. Finally, patronizing conduct is also a form of ethics dumping. If research teams from a higher income country assume an air of knowing best, even in a foreign setting, the collaboration is disrespectful and can lead to inappropriate or insensitive results. Ethics dumping damages trust and adds unfair burdens onto those who are already burdened. It is therefore essential that researchers work as closely as possible with local collaborators and reflect together on ways to prevent ethics dumping.